Hello guys. Hello my amazing people. How are you guys doing? How they go? Please wanna join this video, okay? Wanna join this video. I forgot comment since I rush go deliver things. Alright, I rush go deliver something. Let me see. So Mona come our sister, our friend Asaboro did video yesterday, guys. Alright, Mona come we'll talk about the video. Let me share. May I quick share before we enter the gist. Una good down for afternoon, guys. I love my voice sound too much. How una day. Please join this video, give the video love and like, share to others, invite your loved ones. Asaboro, our lovely sister, our amicable sister, our honorable, what is the give am what be that job? What be that job for this social media? INEC officer. So my amazing people, she do video yesterday night. I supposed to come and that yesterday talk about the video because I don't know say she do video. I just jam the video online. I wish I know say she did online that period, that time. Maybe I forget here to support her and also listing direct. But after she do the video, thanks for joining my lady Alade. Thanks for joining. After they do the I not share to my other page. Why this one pay me? Oh, how will I do that now? Why can I do that now? Supposed to share them to other page. I don't want to touch the video. Now may go bang. May you go bang head. If I all touch on, I be a nyango. Oh, this one pay me. Let me see what I can do about it. Not here. No, not be here. Here be that place again. You don't late. I'm fine, my lady. I'm fine. Let me just share to all those pages. How una dey, guys? Please love and like and share, okay? Let's listen to our sister Asaboro, alright? Make we listen to her. And also, you get why I bring this video come. You get why I bring this video come. I just pray my network back but not disturb. Oh, shizy. May my network not disturb. The network you have flogging me. I don't go complain for my wind office. So they don't give me date say they will take on. I don't know whether my data will let me. Guys. Alright, let me share. Before I start this video, I want quick message to one Ishan woman. Yes, one Ishan woman. We not get husband. She's a single mother. This woman did this in those cyberspace. Sometimes she go do like person where they colo. Sometimes she go do like people person where they normal. Sometimes she go do like person where they say as that is she dey read, that is she dey colo. Make I put her like that. So this woman, because of say if I do video, she dey come here, come dey thief topic. Yeah? Anytime I do or drop video, this woman go come thief topic. She go still come thief my topic. She no go get respect. She go dey talk to me anyhow. Lare madam. You know yourself. I don't want to call your name. I know say you dey here. May I tell you? Me and Bokba ma we say. Ik me and Bokba ma we say. My cover before now come. Oh, why came when you know? Make I cover my shirt. When it turn, ik me and Bokba ma we say. You dey hear me so? If I give you opportunity to they see my video, you feel say you want to analyze or talk about them. That one are your toro. Say you carry my video, look me and look me very well. You carry my video, come begin go the craze on top because the time when your mates they marry, where they see husband, where mammy bebo yak bebo. In short, who we a black boy. You understand? And they succeedingly use you dump. You they hear me so you decision woman because I know no problem where you get with Ishan people. If anywhere you just see say Benin person they talk good about Ishan, body will start to they bite you. Anywhere you just see say that they praise Ishan people, body will start to they bite you, and you be Ishan. The reason why pain enter your head now because I not carry up pike can insult for here, or the other one where they call ordering because I not come insult her here, or I not join you saga the Nelly Black. Now that one they pay you. Lare madam no gog. If I come for you, you know so as I be to say, na small pikin, na very small pikin. It can't they cost me. You the analyze video now what not do for your head now. You don't want to respect yourself. If I come for you, you get my size inside your house. You get my size inside your house. I go come there, bring out your children. As they take they remove belle every 3 days. So I go beat them better beating. Because as you said, God useless. Now so you want make those children now. God useless. How many years your children not get driving license? They not get anything. Children where they born for Europe. Show us their passport, woman. I just advise you now with my church night. Take your time. You this is Ishan woman. You hear me so? I know because of you can't insult Ishan people and you be Ishan. Now you know what where you and Ishan people get issue. Only my concern me. You they hear me so. So guys, let's go straight to our sister video, Asaboro video where she do yesterday. Yeah, she do video. She talk, she just, she address the audience. She, she talk well. And what even make me happy pass be say, she don't finally bring back her page. Yes. She don't finally bring back her page because now that one be pay me inside. I was like, why you go because of person? Because of presenter we never bath, you can't deactivate your account. Like I don't get it. Why you go because of presenter we never bath, deactivate your account? If they insult you, you insult them back. Uno as no and winning. Now so the social media be. You understand? Even if you never strong for your body like that, today so now with due process, you understand. The more you they do them, the more you they strong put, the more you they become professional. You get because this live video now none of us even carry and come from a I don't know as I want to talk. Thanks for joining my lady. Thanks for this phone. Bill I say I will drop and down so it will go up. But may I put Asaboro video first. Get why I want to play this Asaboro, our lovely sister video. Okay. You get why I want to play him because she said the Lord. You not go say I will come they play the saga on. Then the one where she sit talk to people, I no go play am. You understand? And he gets one place. She promised us something. Now that promise now make me there so because that promise now the person will make her promise us that thing. The person don't break that promise. The person don't break that promise. So maybe she never see or she never know. So I just want to alert her and I say, if you no promise him, see what this person going they beg for they do. So now so it be. I know too. So guys, more than me share, alright?
Ma understand oni me na gele dane so olowo me kete e bonu ko ba onwa no o se we gbe ni e oworo but oni me na te tony me ko side down that I have decided to let go.
Guys, please thumbs up, okay? Mona give this video love and like and share. Thanks for joining me. My lady, good afternoon.
But I don't know what
Thanks for
happened.
joining Lady Maria. Thanks for
Yana ya
joining.
le nu wawa. Na we runi ana nu wawa. I don't know. No neru na unless a Bible study. O Davide emu to ike gore. O komare ne na ya mu pa ke ere de do fan ata. Ya wa woni biko.
Please guys, Mona need thumbs up, okay? Mona love and like and share.
No vie me la dia wa son ya lerun. Ya wero wa biko. Me tamu we na. Iye ki ko ikele no ke na.
So for those of una wey don't know what she dey talk about for this particular place, she's talking about wetin that they call that one wey never fit pray for herself. Wetin that they call that Monica fans. That one where they say na so prayer na she dey pray whereas she dey society. Is it Beck Mark or wetin that they call her? Let's see. Omo akworiambo ayokpe ni swear. You understand? So she's talking to that particular lady now say she don't know the reason why that one they pray for people way better pass her. That one hobby. Now to they pray for people way better pass her. People where they eat 6 times a day. She before she see 2 times eat all of her. So now those type of people, back of Mike, let me just call like that because I don't want to give her relevancy. But for those who know, I just want to give her signal so I know her. That back of Mike so Asaboro now they talk say she don't know the reason why back of Mike go leave all her family problem, her children problem. She will come decide to say na presenter now she want to pray for. You understand? Now she's referring this to Mama B because Mama B do video. She talk say the reason why she vex for Monica, the reason why she decide to leave Monica alone is because Monica with some group of her in-concourse, they go they pray on top of her head, they calabash on top of her head when she not send them. She was not aware. She no know say they want go, that they pray or that they do something like that. Now they get me. So this is the reason why Asaboro was saying these words to Mama B, say make that one no verse, say she be the verse for Mama B, but she no verse again because Mama B was also at the comment section. So guys, may we listen for that.
What's the problem? Why what's it? How you doing, right? Frankie! Frankie, be a I see that.
Guys, please let me share this video. Let me share this video.
The video no tell VIP queen. Not begging no time of day. Like she was just like she was very close, but you will get it.
You will get it. Where worry. You will get it. No rugwe any. I must get it. I'm get a where.
I am a threat to them. That is in energy.
Of course.
So let me not divert myself. Doc Ray, thank you for checking up on me. Why we iyo mono like oku? Muda oku emo say.
Good afternoon, Mama Gloria. Thanks for joining me. Good afternoon.
No, please. On my video,
good afternoon, my lady. 247 updates now. So, good afternoon. Thanks for joining.
Because
Saboro, let me just advise you from like that is make I advise you to move from here. You understand? Because of this thing where you all talk now, say your video, you say they carry, they show you that is waiting they go on for those cyberspace. You say you they carry and go they give your family, you they show your family, you they give them. My sister not doing again, no they show them. No they show them. People where they Nigeria, made the Nigeria, made the first way to the apple for Nigeria. We where would they Europe, may we dey Europe, first way to the apple for Europe. No, they carry live video matter go they give people for Nigeria because they will not understand. You understand? They will not understand. Because imagine me now, say maybe my mom they watch my video, say they do saga, she'll be like, They not want to go because when I did Nigeria, really, I know the fit talk. I know the fit talk. I don't even get strength to talk. I don't get power to talk. And that time, if I see people where they do saga, where they live video, I'll be like, may they even give me class F, make I just beless on throw away. Now they get me. So, but when I come Europe, I don't know whether now they call. Some people say call the enter brain, but I don't know. I dey hear that rumor. When I come enter Europe, I can't change totally. Where be say, if you even pinch me, na problem. If you even pinch me, na problem. I don't know whether it happened to a lot of people. I don't know. I just changed totally. So I know wait till they do for Europe. All this video, this. Thank God, say my brothers, those ones, they not get Android phone. They not they use Android phone. Nobody said they not feel afford them, but they need phone way strong. Nobody said the battery go feed the last like 3 days, even though they not charge for 3 days of fear, they do their calls, they do their things. So they're not too depend on Android phone. Anyway, straight down with power bank. Then for my mom, that one not the watch video. That one not waiting they happen for Facebook. Even if when people go, they tell my brother, say, see what they do. They tell my brother, say, face, mona face, you on face. Everybody face with face. Yes, now that kind of life I they live now. Everybody, even though you're my boyfriend, face where you face. Everybody face where you face. So no, they carry our own yaga for Facebook. Go they give them by yourself. No, they even say people carry and go they give them. Now you they carry and go they give them. No can I give them again. You understand? My lady say, thanks for joining. I come better inside the caravan. Thanks for joining, my love. He said exactly. Answer baby should carry across some of us that love her. We stand with her in the case. Yes, provided she do the right thing. Yes, of course. If I the support person, I support you with everything. Yes, I support you with everything. And so maybe it lead to court, a police station in Amiegbe, if I they support you, I support you with everything. Now so maybe not say something can't happen, or the thing can't tick, I can't they run, or I can't they pretend say no, I'm not be that type, I don't do that. You understand? So now so maybe so my sister Saboro, anything where they go on live video, don't take it personally to your family. If people go they do and say maybe fans or people where know you for your village or your area, people they see you online, they go they show your family, that one are their own, that one not be your own. But say you personally taking your videos to your parents, to your dad, no, not doing again, because if you see them, if you go they panic, you get. If you go they panic, not be say go they panic, say maybe not be say go they panic, say maybe something that is person get wetin that is you go they panic, say people they oppress you, people they drag you. You understand? It might not go settle, because if they drag you, your person and go they panic. You understand? So not be say if you they drag person, say maybe your power will they panic or something. No, but if you see say that they drag you, in go they panic. So that's why the main reason you don't have to send all those videos, especially by yourself, to them. You understand? Don't do it. You understand? I also say make I talk that one, but I know say you be person where see know what they do. Please guys, when I me share this video, when I give a video love and like.
Because ebony gbiyan padine uweso sine uwese. We started it together. We are in it together. It came to a time.
Thanks for joining the Queen Stock. The Queen Stock lover. Thank you.
We are ready. We are Emi do abun le dama to ga ya kan o imamu boko nda okwe mo se obo ma yezo ebo mare elo ya ti mu ebe gwere na we a o be eti ahu gwe baka be na le ba we So compano egene gbe aya
Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
After 2 years, I am the kesi ni pagbe. Egbo e ma ya ni jiwo kewe hian ga agbele gboa. Ni bun la wodo ni bun bi ele ba mo ni. Eri bun e wo be na ya fefefe. Iwe nu gugun ri mu dama doge. De ine ru me ni hian gi 20. Omo no jowi o eyi. Igwa ya lowi e, igwa o ni gbele. Kakabo. Deni ya fe. Eina le da okone we no de wo say o mere go
Guys, please do not DM me the share. May I see whether share did this video abeg.
To kun panu ni apon bi eyin lewe imazi egbe na tu ariwa.
Happy James, thanks for joining, my lady. Ola Koko everywhere, Padomo, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining, Padomo. Guys, Mona share the video too. You say, Eko better don't go underground begging. Ekwani muwa. Ekwe mu. Ekwe to. Oye do bono.
Ukono ye ya friend on wa obi e no vio. Ya friend on e ko na friend on ye se mi so ye gbe kan gbe so pa yin an ni kire italian ni dai. Ile to e no ma gbokun ya ka. Ni.
Ove asaboro wa we fifu ana. Ove o wa we fifu wa we so le so de ove ewe. Saboro. Saboro we ayo we na ti ana saboro. We tell me straight. According to Tanania, this is what you talk, so now we me understand now. You say Monica daughter, she go date somebody, your friend up here. Kenona your friend up here, ni yana kbema we wodo. Iyana kbema wo vie Monica wodo. Kanona do aso. Ovinye rokpa ti mare ovie Nigeria. Ovinye rokpa mare ve Nigeria. Ovinye rokpa ri ovie Nigeria. Me make boyfriend de Nigeria boys of Bovieni. Only say we you not talk and finish. You just hit and reach road. They talk and finish. Asaboro. Don't they give Monica only man deserve respect. Giving Monica respect is waste. Monica mala come and no respect Yes. Presenter how me character in the live video. Nenya mala come and no respect him. Thanks for joining, ladies. Okay. Now I saw you drink my coffee.
Is yours and make it do Kate. Oh, Kiano wa mubame.
Enati baby.
Maga boom. Oh, can you have your bama? Who is social media? Naka Kilanica.
He don't even start the bully. Let me carry this video. He don't start the bully. He say, I never see you confused past. Asaboro no straight. I be mona leave Asaboro. Was Asaboro eh? Yes, Asaboro ya expose away campaign Infinity Saga. Whether she like it or he matter time pass away fast in on Asaboro na. He can the Infinity Saga la jenye. Because I am in Nania. Ye make way, to Asaboro. I'm with fasting that way, ban. Fasting a prayer.
Wawese, Mosore, walao. Wavumuzo yo to. Wavia gege yo to. Wavia gwebina yo to. Walao. Leto samoro so everyone. Owe ye tagbadu ni ate ya gbemi. To kwanye gba okuto. Ewo mo dinye. Mo dame.
She does this saga Asaboro today. Monica Zobo. This are the joke. Monica Zobo. No work bena na work bena no je no one analysis ba mo so wa. Oni o ma se.
Awole gan
Oni o ma se.
Mo gele ahin mi ave wo wa. Ke yo se me no teme na party for life. You can set in you bon gbera ni no ta. Wese. Wa do muna ko carry chest. Supposed to make fiena.
Be na kina.
ti ma oni mu ye ti yesterday afira na fiane
Poshi ya giage kwa vedero.
Nda ahia gwa to
Wolo gbetemi.
Ya imeko anwa me kate wa ma na ka gwa we me imale ke me mari e ma wi gwa we me iwe me sa to ai so pa eni gbon sa lo ba iwe e mood ni ga je ni that me to ai abla so do mu e ti bata iya de gan
Oya gbe na woto kan. Asaboro. He say you come fight now you still dey make peace rest. No wait, Asaboro we ya gbe na woto e kwa le Monica gbe na woto kan. What of why if e papa do de fi awon why hin aye. What of we nu ba wa so aye odo wu yo obo wa hin aye. Gbe social media. Mo ebe social media ka bo gbe ma. Ogo to kan we modo fo e la dien wo wa Monica pa ware eyugbo eyogbo emeke lori e munu ma si o ma eyi ko ma wa ivate ejo yari kuno jo be dere na biti so gba ika biti so gba ika we ma understand Asaboro e ga gbe Monica ba son e biti so gba ika o gbe Monica wo wi e u wa gbe wa u wa gbe yo ti ku wa because I no get the kind flog you wanna dey give am o ye be tu wa mama wa ge wi e se wa son wa ge yo de se wo wi e isa lo bo injection na ona e perere injection no di ogo wi e na ari ene no di oga so na ari ye biti so gba ika oni gbe wa a video no ni oni me watch oni gbe wa bless na this morning that one do this video abi do the video this morning that one dey go work abi she dey work safe vo wari asana ya gbe Monica we na gbomumu ona wari asana agbe Monica we na gbomumu kai ore biti so gba ka ni o dave gbe oze gela de on gbe post ekwe emoji we no motun o gbe post o gba kan we ka te mama mi ama azma mama unyime Monica unyime netun yume yeah, I don't want just to beat you. I don't want to talk to you. I just listen to Asaboro because it gets me with Asaboro. It get promise where she promised. He had no joy. Every nota that girl you the or you the obog but I mean Asaboro ta. So are we to be watching her or because you understand? Even na very high. Now they get me. So my people, may we continue. That between so say if I quick finish, make I go forward this one because may I forward on. Get where I want to hear. May we go picture soon. Now they listen. Soma wa bebe ne. Oh, sorry.
Here where you were betrayed, you are angry. I know where you. You are
Saboro ye beg me ma bu infinity sagajo. Wana me love. You na dey see love. Wa be ma mode. Hi.
Te won ye pinwekere. Pete agbudian agbegbe.
The truth is
Amagbudian ayere gbegbe. Okoni mi egbuja orobo ye gbe no. Ujanora hare. Omaga kimi ubina. Good evening, Daddy.
Asaboro see the beg. The infinity saga Asaboro the beg for so. Saboro de totemo fisha. Ile gbo be mu wa fi we bai. Enu wa ki win ade ni. When we wa ji winner. I wa fi we bai. So could not be love na foolishness. Wa ko wa break it down wala wa te bone. Wa te bone ge o ga Saboro na igbo e ban ya de mi yemi. Gbo ma be ke na ari odo. Have spiritual people. Spiritual people. Have spirit. In a clear.
More career. No problem. More not too much. We no care. No, your passport is in Morocco. No problem. Ikoyeya. odo amu ame kwanu be misplaced priority o polore kororo ikweye ya so pa na vie enu koyoto okwemu say doctor is not ready to change. I will block him after this problem because of you.
All this beg where Saboro the beg sis. Now for that daughter, Saboro beg be like saying an any black. Or no the eba mokoko. No ni la no ya unblock Infinity Saga for Saboro. Infinity Saga for Saboro mahenga tie. Here Infinity Saga for Monica. Infinity Saga for Asaboro Ruda. Igbina na Saboro gbina Infinity Saga na. Oga Monica no egbina ni. Oga Monica no. Infinity di no gbina ne Monica ni gbina gbidi ni. Gbina na ni. Monica fie pishoge for adesi. We are there Monica yebe mo pishi Infinity Saga na la jan last. Wage. Now, Asaboro the beg Nelly Black make that one unblock Infinity Saga. Asaboro try not settle here. When that one vote Asaboro say Infinity Saga is not ready to change. Asaboro will not allow or change. When are you boy or change? A promise in a promise. That me logo. Wama baby ni me mo give me video na. A promise no there. Or you remember video na day. So let's continue, guys. I'll say about.
He might change. Or say
I want to go. Somebody was begging Infinity Saga.
We'll see. He might change, but not just immediately. With time. We'll see. When you ne assume we can. Ma hoye. Any atalo we buy any.
Asaboro digwe.
So, if you want, I will see. Yeah, I say, when you feel disappointed, why they disappointed in me boom? Because Ode boom, Eke boom, me, and they consider me. It's been a 1 week or 2 weeks. I will
Asaboro, where you are thinking a lot. I think you are thinking a lot. Give me an we think. Let tomorrow take care of itself. Think today, yes. We're panicking and we're panicking. It's not even, you are not even panicking because of today. You dey panic because of tomorrow. Tomorrow go take care of itself. They can when I am or and we casaga non self or two or me one marry a proud mommy of a family no marry a week to marry joga rovier ere no that for any jevetion or at here bonnie marry forget don't die. They low self-esteem. Don't bring yourself down to this extent. I don't get it. Okay, when me here presenter na akwa ya marry so a family of Dr. Dota okay because I be presenter so here akwa nothing ya marry me. Okay, because I be presenter here akwa nothing ya marry me. I don't know what I don't know as I want to put on. One thing you must know for this lesson, nothing worth dying for. A person like you, where just they do like this, you don't want this. Nine those kind of things they always happen to. That's the truth. I'm just telling you the truth. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Do your things. Focus on yourself. Invest. Build house or anything. Buy property. Build your children future. If time you know your husband, do carry belle you born. Do you carry belle you born? Yes, you get your money, you get everything. Small time you enter driving school, collect your license. Thank God say you can English, you know, even tell the go school, not be like a way be Italy. There is a Z Italy. When you do fast or vero, why is it with fast or vero? We are in a school, that driving school, he hard for life. But if to say an English country, what did they no, you don't write down. Build yourself. If us one family, mueko. thief their belly. If you see say the family na family well, or you see the man say, if you see the man say the man na man wey like children, and before you born for man wey like children. If you say the man na person wey like children, even though you dey, you know they go fit take care of the pikin. Who go do a come you born for? Even they say, hey, you be presenter, I don't want me born for me. You carry your belly. You after all, you sabi drive. You get your house. You get your things. You get your life. Wait till they there they cry for say I making and I'm married. Nothing what die for. If you see born one finish, the day we go see say one concrete pikin, you see knock. Don't be say you dey knock this one, or you born one for your born to be for them. No. The day we go you do now you go even arrange and concrete your pikin they miss you or what you get net gun. If he call he say trade don't close. They not feel train not the work again, so you need to pass the night. If you pass now see do something, belle will see it. If not two you get so far you born out for one place. I don't know how now they see this life. Now they make me they look say I beat life not be the way me they see am. I beat the way some people take they see am. You know they make am look say the thing they very difficult, like say na one hard thing. If you can't greet the pikin, you carry belle for a born. You get your money, you get your yourself. Before you go set yourself, get your shop, do your things, get your small apartment where you feel the control by yourself. They live your life. If man wants to stay, who no wants to make it go? Who say you because you be presenter, I know make it go. They break, go drop your children for school, go open store. Then I will banai. I mean I don't know. Wait till reach to die for you. Go me, I don't know. No, the way people tell they arrange their own life because I'm not sure that they meet they need to arrange my own. That is not the movie. Nobody fish a carafe for me. They are so beautiful. No, Asaboro. If you want to post your family members, you are free to post it. But on one condition, you know, say you they come out for media. You they come out for those cyberspace totally. You just know, say you they come out for those cyberspace totally. Anything where we they do here, maybe a whole way here, ya home like you know get access again to what we they do. Or for who say me? Who say me? You understand? You know, say anything where we they do here, you know, get access, you know, like you know, even get interest, you know, they finger you anything, you understand? So if you feel doing like that, guys, I'm coming. Make I move. Or for you get. I don't like this. You get so if you know say your family, yeah, if you know say you won't post there, you are free. Nobody go call you say why you post your family if you're not posting. No, because the last time I checked, you never post anybody family once. There are people where be say you never even post your own family. People they help you they post like we now. Our posted email all over the places. Niya mwejebo yo hu ya mwejebo yo hu. Niya mwivi yo hu ya mwivi yo hu. Niya mwe different things. When the one that put coconut, they share my brothers. They go. Iya share here ya which those ones in ya dreadful. They not the same. You get. So you, if you choose to post your family, then you desist from saga. Anything, even though person the saga, you don't even reply. Just they based on old time where you don't fit a raw body with them. Then you leave them, make it know that you know do saga again. Oh, you are your own now. Everybody they oh your day. And you put law anybody that time when you content they say then who ya cocky hold they see 150, they see 300,000, you go shocking inside wardrobe. Anybody where as I say you don't declare say you know do saga again, do general apology to everybody. Maybe when you offend, you don't know. Later they can't go still after you don't stop saga, they can still go post your family. Ya maila lagbiyan. Or a bonorevu wa ya mugbiyan. You understand? Who ya amwe bogbiyan because they get no right to conquer your family because you know they do saga again. A lot of people don't do saga for this Facebook. They quit. They did. Kate not do saga e come out. Now blogger she did blog now. A lot. Proud Lovette do saga. Thanks for joining a party. Thanks for joining my video. Lovette do saga. He tire, he rest. She dey post her children, she dey live her life there. You understand me? So now so it be. Not let anybody put that impression on you, say you must stay prison forever. No. No, except say you see dey your mind to do saga. If you see dey your mind to do saga, my sister, don't post your family. Who won't go the final, go the final. If you like, you confirm who the break come out. If you don't like, no even confirm anything. Leave them, they drag anything where they want to. Do like say you not see them, which is very, very okay for your head. And all those you get. You understand? So if you know, say they pay, say you need to post your family, then you quit saga totally. Just quit her totally. That's the only way. So night be for that one. So you get where we they go.
I can't tell you.
We had to be young, but I the fear said they will bend your head. Why you the fear? What did they do? Oh, Saloboa.
So na la wo alawo. Okwema. Amebe won ko no gbe kan yo bode. Ero. Soja magba.
Please guys, Mona help me love and like and share. I go make a video. Now we may to do a live video right now. Not be my fault. I don't go send something go this person. Heat, sweat, sun. Over not be me, not be here. Can you remove all this? So don't forget, say I don't the chance. Get where I want Mona here, we don't go anywhere.
And I 9th of May 2025. Kedene nakpa. Ije ijama ina view bujo.
Oh. I want to disturb this network by myself.
Ore owe down. Regi dere gbere dagbon we. Ere mi dana ite yafo. If you beg me. I know. Now make me not give you the right, no the right phone number. Don't get luck, say no get no pick up. I know you were angry. I just know that. Thank God I came in at the right time.
No more than enough just to accept Boruabe.
That make me not give you a no give number. We feel your once because I know I made the call. They hand your voice for everywhere.
You where they open it, you decision woman so.
I know one me they call the hand.
Where they open it to Boruabe.
Go
play, go show for your eye. You too, go collect.
It's so soft.
I collect in a where go ya different fire.
His heart is so fragile.
I just done a camera like this, you just look and say, "That's this girl just get body." You know, I'm not fat like this, so. As I tell sit down, camera.
Yes, I know. It is okay. It's okay, Laos.
Na beg the other beg, sis.
Amen. Amen. Omoragbon Ifaluji. Amen. Amen. Wasa is in love. I am a loving person. I have loved before. I know what it takes to love. I have been heartbroken. I know what it takes to feel it. And I know how I know what it is. According to Maybe, our love is a beautiful thing. Because I forgive the picture detail. Because that day I don't fit thank God. Say, yes, it don't get carry that for. Anyway, be me. Because Infinity Saga under that account, the person in it is a nice person, but inside that account is Shunu.
Waiting it always a nice person.
So, dating
Asamboro, how you take your own side now? How you take they know nice people? How you take they know nice person? Is it that you just see mad they laugh? Now they go make you now you fit identify say this man a nice person. May I tell you the bitter truth, my sister? Infinity Saga is not a nice person. Not getting how you want to paint her. If Infinity Saga can sit down comfortably for almost 4 good years, they bully people. If he sit down comfortable, he might not shake him. He no feel. Or ma wi yan ya gwa lo koriye. Or ma wi yan ya gwa le laughing sunwe. Or ma you win the daughter no she. If Infinity Saga face sit down for 4 good years, they do all this a bad thing for social media. He's not a nice person. He's not a good person. So don't give her that quality. He's a very nice person. It can be nice to you. People do like that. Yes. Even people where they use person do money, they get their own sisters or their girlfriend where they say they give money. Say, go and do shopping. Take, go and get a new phone. Take, go and pay your house rent. You understand? But now ritually say be. You know, concept because of those things where they do for his sisters or people around them and a good person. No. You understand me, so Asaboro? Me like you. But I understand now at this point, I understand your take. You say you no go show Infinity Saga. You say you no go show a picture. No problem. You understand? No problem. But one thing I will let you know, you show amo. You no show amo. I don't hear it. He go or voy. Or just know say on a very good day, he go come out. And if he come out, nobody will come and take permission from you before they go sagara. Or if they come the sagara, they'll come the pity say now you be gay, or you na fair date, or you be lover. We know that one not go get anything to do with us again. Because you they beg for his sake. If that Infinity Saga person we really love you or we ready to change. As you see, say, okay, this matter now is your neck. If not be because of say we for this social media say we like you. Anytime you post person, we feel call the saga you. Yes, anytime you post person, because you'll be like say, you know me now. My boyfriend Infinity Saga. For example, na Infinity Saga. Now, if they bully people, they go, they drag people, they go. And if they drag you where you, like example, Asaboro. If maybe you for not even they follow me, they talk again, you for the verse. Because you feel if say na me, they tell them me bully you. Or na me, they tell them what you go they do. Or na you understand. So na so it be. Two of you na don't be partner in crime. May you know now. Because with what you are just doing, with the way they protect the guy, you don't want to make them know, you don't want to make it come out, you they protect, automatically you both are partner in crime. And based on the love where all of us get for you for those cyberspace, that is why we know do you waiting you want to make we do you. Yes, because a friend to a thief is also a thief. So we not go want when they drag you. Say if they drag you, you will call the pain. I wish we even see papa or in mama or in sisters. Say you na innocent. You are just being blindfolded by fake love. Yes, man wey love you no go want me you go through stress. Man wey love you no go want me stress. Anything stress no go bring upon your environment. You understand me, so my sister? So that guy no like you. He gets ED agenda. I thank God say you see talking for the video say una no dey again, which is a big accolade to you. Una no dey no reason. No they show and say you love her. If you even show man say you too love her, they'll call the shakara. No be all unero like all these things when I they talk about me. No be to all me. You understand? So now so it be. So my sister Asaboro. Now yesterday you make one promise say if you try him again, say you go post where for the work. And he do another one yesterday. That make me carry this video. Come show you. Say he still do one yesterday. So what are you going to say about it?
So there are things that are meant to be controlled, even in anger. Even in anger, when you know the heart of a person, it is what it is. But all the same, VIP queen, queen, don't die. That is what I know from my own theory, yeah. From my own theory,
No, nobody should insult Asaboro. I beg. No insult Asaboro. They love this. Una no know what they go on. All these things where Asaboro they do, so one just they see so. One things in a place so. Me as the kind of personality where me be, I'd already see and say this thing where they do so, it is a spiritual attack. Yes, this is where Asaboro they face right now. All this laugh where Asaboro they laugh, all this one a spiritual attack laugh. They don't do Asaboro something. Yes, because God used Asaboro to go close to those people. That's one thing you must know. Me, I did this live video. Why they not commit me? A lot of single ladies there, those about space. Why they not go meet them? But Asaboro was the one where God point say, now you go this mission. That was why Asaboro go there. And God sent Asaboro to that mission. So for Asaboro to expose those cancers. To expose all those people. Even God now feel the verse why Asaboro they cover for these people. You understand? God sent her there to expose those people. So with all this one where she they do, me no say na juju they use for Asaboro. That infinity saga me ni yakinya we group yan ni camp yan ni and me ni yakinya. Me they see and say na juju they use for Asaboro. Now they get me some amazing people. So that is it. We not go feel they say Asaboro. No, me will not hate her, me will not insult her. Because all these things are planned work. They go back, Monica go buy 2 goats. It was say Monica no road to no native daughter. Wait till he go buy goat for. Wait till she want use goat to do. Who she want use goat swear for. This one and Monica where they lie on people on a daily basis. She go they buy ram. If you open, he said, Queen, you are not just analyzing this video because it's so annoying for real. No, I know what she don't already come at yesterday. She don't talk to us now. Say, make we drop the weapon or fight for ground. But it just get one place. Mona wait. It never reach where I forget what for Asaboro. You guys need to be patient. Okay? Now I need to be patient. Now Monica go buy goat. She go they buy horse. She go they buy pepper. She go they buy person will not get food for kitchen. Monica nene like report. Oh yeah, de lekuku pepper nene. You not get pot. You not get food for kitchen. If I do a kitchen, you go they buy horse. I been waiting you buy ram for native daughter. That ram where you go back give native daughter, you don't ever buy am. May we see for this live video say they move for your presents. They buy the ram, you slice and they bone and you can load down for your fridge they chop. So la oh. Why move your bone or boy? Say when you believe say na a go better buy those goats. If it be she, not be said because of say she want use and swear for presenters. No, she won't go renew her things. Every yakarak benenia. No, say she won't go renew her things. Oni how must to confess if there's about specimen. That one must confess. Monica, you go confess so. Saboro, people are angry with you. But nevertheless, we not force you to do it. Even me, not see the way I say they talk now. I not force you to do it. You don't want to be adults. So, but that picture you will come at even not with from you.
So that alone was my strength. That alone was my strength.
I would remember say I get stick meat here. If you stick meat, you know me and stick meat.
Because of the
in my band.
both the real toaster and the fake
Now
toaster.
in my body.
Oh, am I going to respond to anybody? It affect everybody because it really did go
Mona, listen.
Inside that account, but outside that account is a lovely soul.
Guys, Mona, listen to this particular place where she want to talk soon. Now, yeah. Now make me on this live video. Okay? So, Mona, listen.
So that was why I said something is wrong somewhere. But I hope this will teach him a lesson, and with time, he might get his senses back. That's all. That's all. Because he should know so many things are at stake. I didn't do it for so many reasons. He has suffered enough to have that license. How can I just open my eye because of actually we not get permanent certificate? We not see come trans result break on. May con tarnish may con collect a pin for me. After the labor, after the reading there, some of us will say, how did he get there? Situation might drive you there. Situation might drive you there. Each and every one of us has
for verse was Asaboro yesterday. Asaboro said he no want made the man lose his job. And gele anytime with that man take come out. Even me for Italy here. As I say, I know that a company. Yeah, you want the like Google. A phone number head office here. All that here. He can't here. Niaya place a report in Young Infinity Saga. And I know say a lot of people go still won't do the same thing. Are you people getting me? A lot of people go won't do the same thing. Now they get me. So Asaboro, you no fit even protect Infinity Saga. That's the truth. You no go fit. He himself know say you no fit protect him. That's why they mumu up and down. Because if to say believe in you, as he said the whole thing don't cast. Two of now, you don't even need to get to this extent. Una also free either una to deactivate those una two accounts. Una go inside house. Go the plans una take bone. As una want to do na marriage. As una take una just continue una life for inside house, outside on social media. But coming out online to even come make us know say na Infinity Saga, because we know say you get issue with your guy for some time now, but we don't know say na Infinity Saga. You coming out to come make us know that it is Infinity Saga, na Infinity Saga, you know, all those things. It looks somehow, my darling. It looks somehow. And the day when me even know say na Infinity Saga, I was like, wow, Asaboro, you sabi take risk, which is very good. I like guys or women where they take risk. You try. You really try. You understand? But with all this, your love, confession of love, they show and love, they do. If to say in a person where they will no insano, as he knows, okay, fine, you love everything. He self don't old. Wait till he comes to the fine, give for his fake account. Now the money where they pay him for the year. Money where they pay her from fake account, a old daughter. I been a fake daughter. Una daughter shit to take convince the world, because I don't see how daughter. You understand? I don't see how daughter. Even me will be presenter. I no get fake accounts. Why they bully people? If I want your beat, you are on my platform, I talk to you. I don't get fake accounts when me go the right, they drag people, they screenshot people. No. If you do me such a way, invest, no, know me, I'll just bring their picture come here. You know, any as I like, I'll turn the upside down here. Outside here, can't me out. I don't get anything fake accounts. But I have profiles, yeah, when I they use for my page. Now they get me. So if Asaboro can be this respectful, obedient to a man where no even care about what you they go through, my sister, even if this man they need that, they beg you, say after live video, if they call you inside house, they beg you, think am twice. Think am twice, oh. I know what I they talk, oh. Think am twice. Because no be say like I don't know that they talk that thing. No be say you will come tomorrow you will come say you don't know say na so it be, or you will come dey feel say it go change. Think and try before you enter inside. No be say people they say me you know you never even how many years you did whether they talk about marriage they follow you. Unukpo we jena you don't reach 40 years. Where they say marry. The one where they France no senior you. Only ye revi here. Only Renier here. That one even they talk about picking or even to even marry. So wait till be the hurry. Doing it like this, you are just opening doors for more men where be say they find women where they want toy and play with their hearts. I'm telling you the facts. You talk with this with me for this video yesterday. You say you don't want to date online anymore. You not get guarding. See, if you want meet men, yeah, real men will get money. Men will get money. Not be men will see they manage. Or even though man they manage, if you jam the one where they manage, you get respect. It's okay. But if you not still jam those ones, say you just feel like to they stroll out at least once a week. Go where they play tennis. Table tennis. Go where they all those golf courts. Not be golf court they call them. Those places where they play golf. Go where they play all those soccer, all those game, all those soccer, all those what do they call them? Those is it draft? That one where they do like this. They go all those places. If you reach there, you know sabi drink, buy water. Stroll around, they smile. You are a better person. Ogbu. Now who chop belle full, now I go they play tennis. Now who chop belle full, now I go. No be say thanks for joining, my lady. If you know what, thanks for joining. You get me. May wait don't see things for life. I'm not be say I talk now because say may you go find who get money or no. You can still easily if the day inside boss jam away like you. You feel easily jam away like you for Africa shop. You feel easily jam away like you for church. You feel easily jam away like you for anywhere from this part of the world. You understand? But no letter there your mind say, I want this particular type of man. No. The one where God give you, where you know, say, if you talk to them, if they hear what you they talk. Any language will be, don't be a resist. Not that one where they talk and say, go marry, no marry Nigeria. Don't be a resist. Anyway, so far if they give you happiness, you they okay. You know they stress you. Your mental health is sound and safe. My sister, follow her. Follow her. If you will jam or a boss say you get money, because I don't go fear advice. Even though you not get money, I understand. But say Oibo, you must get money. If not black, you not get money, it's okay. Oibo will get money. Follow her. If even though they talk say this one, that one, this, before you know, my sister, you know you don't need to sleep with man now. Say you can't use tonton. You understand? You don't need to go to sleep with man now. You can't use tonton. Your own work for DNA to try get belle. You understand? Try get belle. If you want boy, now not be bad to say you were born for Igbo. You understand? Oibo no get they be they know they abandon their children. Oibo can never leave their children for your bolua. At all, even if a month reach, he bring 300 for picky pampers. You too 200 go see the shoe shop after you see they work. 100 euro for picky. You so they use that one is better than adwaye bomb vikwe bogie na the streets. I'm telling you the truth, oh, because if man don't already know say you are weak, now so you they love. Now, so this one, they will not take you serious. Thanks for joining my person solo more. Thanks for joining. They will not take you serious. If you even to show myself you too love yourself, you go even they call yourself. If folk they ring you, they look like this. They say, hey, my woman they call me. One may call me like 3 times. Wait till go up if you pick at that first time. No, because you know say without you know your voice, you know go there okay for where you day. So me are like that. Not be all low. Lying. You get me? So I'm not giving you, I'm not saying they give you, I'm not they talk all this one now. Say maybe na my own perfect pass, or na me good pass, or na me, no. Sometimes my own go just see the sweet. Sometimes I want a tear body make whatever they phone. But that one don't change anything. Where be say, I know what I define for man. I know my targets. I know what I need. Relationship quarrel is bound to happen. I've been about to happen. Quarrel sometimes. Yes. But not be man where go they take advantage of your mental health. Say because una dey date. Man, where he say everything now don't start blaster for Facebook. You see the form they do. If to say na me, I don't even get that patient. From the beginning self, I don't get that patient. Right from the day I start to get issue with his sister, I will not dey again. I don't feel go any relationship like that. That one a toxic relationship. I know they go because anything will make family don't they stand on your way for marriage. It don't finish. It don't finish. Oh. You feel look and say the first year the man love you, the man love you because una they see from outside to outside, they come your side or you they go. If una don't date together, you know, say two people date together, sometimes they tire person. You go even be like say make you pack the man load go through way for outside. The man self go they look you like this and say which kind of wish be this one. Oh, na was say anyway ya na. Imade gbe di moto by moto. Imade gbe bo. You understand? So, but if he new start, he go the sweet. Once he don't they saw like 1 year, 2 years, because relationship or marriage now stage by stage. That stage 2, stage 1 the sweet. Adawala. Stage 2, you know the good though. That stage 2, you go battle. Now inside you come the bone put. Some people start to bone 1, bone 2, bone 3, bone 4. If you pass that stage 2, stage 3. Everybody don't accept the fate, both the man and the woman. You understand? So now so it be. All these things now some people say you can easily read about it. Follow people where don't still mature, where don't still grow. They will let you know as if they go not feel say that they talk and say, now the facts be that oh. The facts. So if you date relationship where they say the family don't accept you, once you get to stage 2 of that relationship, say you and your husband thought they get problem. If you even speak, if you go call your family, say what you do. That time they'll call the tell and say, I'm a katama when we we do it. Or say one pan what calling we pay 7 or what be biena. Family yan wajaga tama we getting your money. You understand? So you know go back you up again. Before you know it, the man don't they leave you for us, go to sleep outside. He don't they leave you for us. Go they meet another woman. He don't they leave you for her. In short, he don't go they bone for outside, they leave you for house. So you need to watch where my sister. This relationship, a relationship sometimes you go do mistake. Sometimes he go do mistake. But no be this type of mistake. Relationship will be say, it already day media. It take only the grace of God before you come out from media, because definitely you and this man go see work out for street, go buy something. People go come, oh, now this one be definitely saga. They'll see no call presenter, even though you know they do saga again. They'll see call presenter. I just asked Saboro yesterday with that man, that time where they saga people. Just video before you know, now don't come back again to media. You they get me? So my sister, think twice, oh. Think twice. Not even they show your weakness to the public. They show say, man, now so this, now so no. Don't show your weakness. If you day, if man day, if you know day, make it rest. If you see marry, you marry. If you not see marry, enjoy your life. You not buy person. Yes, you not buy person. Not be say you not fine. Not be say you not get character. So women just do we say God created, they not go marry. Yes. So women just the way God take create the this life, they not go marry. So don't overforce yourself. So more than listen, more listen.
I'm not saying it's innocent. It's not. But so many things are involved. When I saw a no gauge write up, I wept. He said, reasons best not to have. Yes, there are so many I cannot even explain. Or when venemi la vie or pousse.
Oh, see my cold water don't melt. I bring blood come out of the face, I don't melt.
Yes, because you don't know what I am talking about. I wouldn't stop. Yet it don't talk it. Yes, I have this his working place. I have the address. I could have, as well, go there and deal with him mercilessly. I can do it. He knows I can do it. But can I, like, Zibani? But I'm not feel when ye. Anytime where you are never more people anyhow and may not enjoy anyhow from today, not be the one with offer pass where I'm only do. From today night. Wamure hospital address hospital they were here.
Okay. Asaboro. My sister, when get agree. Not as I with the love so because now you me via unia. Me ama when it's here born we ya ma drag you no. Will I drop video that will make people to drag you? No. This particular word when you your so that make me do this video. You say if infinity son. Infinity kia. Okay. Infinity kia, if he still drag people, if he still do gra, you say she not supposed the media. You understand? Yeah, she too soft. I don't know as I'll get out to Nana because I don't want to offend her. I don't want to make she vex because me no say na juju involved for these things. You get now she God be sent to go expose those people, but I don't know why she's she's skipping. She still they give those people that won't give the second chance. I don't know. So according to what she talk, let me take it back. He said if Infinity Saga do those nonsense again, she said she go post a working place address. Now let me take it back. Mama, listen to her. Maybe, let me show her.
I have his working place. I have the address. I could have as well go there and deal with him mercilessly. I can do it. He knows I can do it. But can I, like, Zibani? But I'm not feel when ye. Anytime where you are never more people anyhow and may not enjoy anyhow from today, not be the one with offer pass where I'm only do. From today night. Wamure hospital address hospital they were here.
Okay.
From today.
Do you know that after Asaboro just do this video yesterday, that Infinity Saga video where you don't share for how many years? Where it take bully Queen Rita and Lolo. Do you know that he go share the video yesterday? Do you know? He go share the video yesterday. Even today, he still share again. Even today, he still share again. In short, he now call the bully Queen Rita with Lolo. Now he call the bully now. I just want flash out for now. You see, this one a video where the creator take go party. Where they take go party, where they go, is it beach party or you understand? This one are the video. Now Infinity Saga page be this so. This one are the one where you see post 3 hours ago now. Tell where creator get belly how many years ago. Video where it all they go how many years ago. So you don't know say person they change for life. Infinity Mumu. You don't know say person they change for life. So you now as you use less 2024 as you can still use less till now till this 2025 where you not take gestion. So now what bijwawa Infinity Saga. So you don't know say person they change for life. Me before I be slim person. If you see me I be like blue. You go for trouser they fall for my waist. Me before trouser they fall for my waist. I make pure. Even that the people going to tell me, you too slow. You too slow. Even that I waiting, I know it's now small. Maybe I go buy Cipron. Many of them are way slim. That time I know what they call Cipron. That one they say the paper say boof. It'll make you boof for face. Now small remain that time when I go buy Cipron. If I wear shirts, shirt I go. You even be like say the shirt one they tie me round. But with time. I can't even get body. I don't even know where the body pass. So tell me people they tire and I don't want again. No, I can't see the wash and they reduce by force. Sometimes I'll see add, sometimes I'll see reduce. Now so me can be now. Sometimes I'll see if I just stand for my scale, as I say I add weight, I'll just forget say my body be like this. So if I stand for this years now, you say you know wait till the way if you see and you go shock, you don't go believe. You don't go believe. Now they understand me. So infinity mumu, you don't know say person they change for life. Video of Kurita how many years ago when she get belle, ebe Kurita ya film on a beer. Saba ma come yobo. Since when she don't born, video when she take get belle, you go share na 3 hours ago. Asaboro say if you bully anybody again, say she go bring your address. Asaboro, I also say you feel see this one. I know say fine, maybe you today na Sunday you day house and all those things, but not be say they call you to comfort. But you see, say person where you they cover for you see what they do. Person now you even talk for video say if you do them again, you go post the working place. The boy say even they play with you. There is even they push you say what you go fit do. And you see they beg people up and down for them. If not be this infinity, even the infinity saga he no get sense. He can't even use and confirm and say, nah, he really dates you. When Monica they swear say no know anything, no know what infinity saga, no know this, no know the matter no concern. So waiting make an infinity saga. As you talk and say, if he post anything again, you post this one where you come make and go the post. If not be you they talk to. Sometimes this one matter Asaboro, I no lie for you. I just see the look and say, it be like say two of them they play with people from this media. I think maybe sometimes I feel like this is a conspiracy between both of you. Yes, because I see no reason why person, me they show you now say, person where you they beg for, where may you see me they know they swear for, where they know they do all this one. You see and say, since that yesterday where you utter this statement when me play so, you don't they bully Kurita, they bully Lolo, they bully people, they go for that same platform, that platform. Which eye you say make those people take on they look you, where be the Asaboro. And you want make those people take they give you even respect. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. I'm not even saying this because I say I want force you say post your address, post the picture. Don't post. Don't post. But I know that on a very good day, it will still come out. And if it come out, they know the tell person. All these things when they do so, it go pay dearly. Yes. People where they drag, you don't know them before. He and them not get issue. Even if it deactivate that account, Facebook will bring that account come out when the time reach. That guy not even, he not pure. If he not even take time, that UK way there, so now so they'll take hold in hand like this, Yafa. Like this, they'll hold on for hand. It be like say, you know, say social media is powerful. The body where they cash and so where they phone saying na this, and then no ladina. It can't have way forever to yawu. It can't have way forever or to yawu. Go read the children where you go poo. Those children go regret why in bonding. Why they follow a hand come. You they get me so my sister. That is why I can't play this video because listen to what you talk. Let me put it again. May I play am again? I think that if anything saga Momo have mental issue. He not get any mental issue. Na man we not the respect. Na man we not get respect. You understand? Na man we not get respect and also na man we be say he not love Asaboro. Yes, he no love Asaboro. That's the truth. He no love her. If he love her, he knows Asaboro not they do saga. He knows Asaboro is ready to leave social media. He knows say Monica people now even can cast Asaboro say na infinity saga now they follow. Not be Asaboro even talking about herself. You understand? Now the man want they do things to make sure say make people come the saga Asaboro. Is it that the man they fight Asaboro say Asaboro break his heart? If it be said that because of the heartbreak, let me can they hide the saga Asaboro. Because the one where Asaboro go say may not do. Now he go do. But when they are friend ya me. Why you book we are very on you? Why you? Social media now for women. If man don't go work, if man don't go work, man like social media, man want tell or anything we would like me we talk. We they use a while away time. This one even better pass a yard in here. Go see one woman when I see that the young baby but me near okay, one about time, and you're not business, you're not planning, you're not set up, you're not cocoa, you're not bear. Social media feel be something of woman. Presenter to presenter. That one not be, it's not supposed to be my issue. So now because say na Asaboro, presenter suppose saga Asaboro for hiding Infinity Saga. That's the truth. That is just the truth. What a lot of people saga me put for this social media. Not be because of say the year say I be one of my godmother. They hear na guy godmother Mariana Riavi. Not being the saga me put for this media. Say she they go they give people stuff for different platform. Me call the talk say I made the liver she be good person. E yin drag me back. Now they understand so but me I will know. Now not say this matter. I don't already fair talk. Is it not day before yesterday? I don't fair talk my mind put for the matter say that guy will never change. And since say na Edo people so na be daily job. Na Edo people you want drop back. We not get problem. The worst part only you want fight with about 30-40 presenters because of only one single Monica as my channel language. only one Infinity Saga. You won't fight like 30-40 presenters for only one single Monica. More they see, more they watch, more they look. As you and Monica go fit a defeat 40 presenters. Where's that guy? You not go reach us share. Your children not go reach us share. Your mama, from your mama to your papa to your full family. Esi Marai. We go need to extend your own saga to your community. A village in Wekere. Or the way village wa. Saga ya. Do bets. Now me go start. You don't know me. I be wicked wire. You see this my round face so. May not even deceive you. Or maybe as I come, man. You say, if don't worry, don't stress yourself. Or the way community in Wekere. Sagai. The full community we go saga and combat. Do bet. Infinity Saga. Do bet. They pray that juju where you do Teta Asaboro so. Make sure say you tie where egg here one day converse, come bring you come outside, come talk with you concern you or another person entirely where God go use bring you out. And if they bring you out, it go be the real you. A village where you a UK need a good way. Who have a UK. Now that time you go know say social media is powerful. Now that time you go know why they talk and say social media is powerful. I always look you, they laugh. You dey use yourself compare presenters. You don't ever see me the saga will not be presenter. For this is I did social media, you don't ever see me. I'll call say, oh, people where they my community, people where they my village, people where they my area here, people where I know for Italy. You don't ever see me saga people will not be presenter. The answer is no. Because why? I don't go with people daily life, people business. Their issue na their issue. May I be saying presenter you do something. We know they responsible, we know they okay. I will on my platform, I will talk about it. You know me say I hate the presenter. The ones who I see hate for inside, I know them. They don't like me myself, I don't like them. You don't understand me, so if you take care. You don't hear what I tell you. The day where you go come out. May I the list, your job, you'll lose that your job. If you be read daughter, you can't get daughter. Now so your life will take go. That school where they say you use how many years go to become a doctor, it will become useless. Not only that school, where they may win at any other place. Because who can lag that is I don't know, you must work out for road, people go see you. Even though a company you won't go to work, people must stay there, black go see they there. We go recognize you. Your mama go collect. Your full family go collect. You go know say all those things where you your old picture self will go bring and come. My lady say, and I never see you saga non-presenter. Yes, I know the saga will not be presenter. Me know they do that one for you. I know the saga. They see a lot of issues online to the talk put now. Even the is it Tinosa that they call her? That actress, all those Tinosa, all those things. You know, as a presenter, I'm supposed to bring her say, see what they happen. Even when they tell her what happened, I know they talk on all those things. Why I know they talk? Don't be say I know if you analyze or I know if you talk put or I know if you put my 10 cents. And they look and say I don't get all those ones. Everybody with their daily life. I bet everybody gets their own little score. You understand? Not they really let me go with people affair. But you see when it comes to presenter, because if presenter sees my own thing, even before me wake up for sleep, they don't they analyze her. They don't they share her. They don't they talk her. Many they want to talk her. So if I see their own too, yes, that is why. I don't tell people say no. Anybody will not be presenter. Don't go for that person. The reason why I go for Esther, the reason why I saga Esther, I don't let them tell una say. I use how many years promote her, play her song, do everything. She go copyright her music, begin use her till they polite my page. I know, though not be she be admin of her page, but I collect put. Because they use her music strike my page, her pictures, a lot of things. Me no say, you understand? I'll just sit down sometimes a day, take copyright this or your point, enter my phone once. 20 copyright claim go you enter my phone once. I even come out, I do video about her, say, Esther, see what they do my page, see. Because she not fit us say she don't know me. During the time where a lot of people they saga for this Facebook, I supported her. She they share the video, so she know me. I can't do video. Say, see what they go. She lock up. She they cry. Say, now so that they wait till can go put copyright. I want to say, I want to say, you know that one you see come out. One can they use it direct. They talk like I don't get it. Neither one see what she see. Maybe say it tomorrow. Me I don't feel even see that one. Even though I see that they twist that one neck now, I'll just sit down. They looking. Because that one not get good character. Anyway, man. She no good. Now they get me so. So Asa borrow the guy, the daughter now, he not listen to you. He don't stick with the post the bully. Now the bully Kurita and Lolo and a lot of people. Now the bully now. You understand me? So you feel still come out now, come to say make we no vex, now your love, now your guy, now your baby, now your this. But not forget, say, if now you, Asa borrow when me know, say, put yourself.